Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a new part to install, SUMA Performance mirrors. These are upgrades. I think I really like these compared to some of the other brands because they're not just a stick-on, it's a full replacement and it keeps all of the OEM functions. So far I've already installed one of them, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other one, and thankfully I haven't broken anything yet, so let's go ahead and get started. Guys, here's a little better look for you. We had to pull the car in the garage, but anyways, when we pull it, we're not gonna be doing it from the very, like, you see that little white piece? It's not on the right side we'll be pulling it on the left side. So we're just gonna use our little pick. We're gonna put it in there, we're gonna push this way, and then just give a little comfort here and pull, and it just pops right out. So hopefully I can do this with the camera in the way, because it's kind of a pain, but here we go. All right, so, oh, wow. It just popped out all by itself. That's amazing. So that little ball will set in that little thing. It's out, that's wonderful. Now let's go ahead and do the bottom piece. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen, but we're all good. Then we're gonna have two clips up here on the side. And then what you really want is a pick. I don't have one. I think I have. So let's go ahead and do this one first. This one we just kind of grab it from the bottom here and wiggle it a little bit. See, that just comes off. It's got like two little plugs there. And then this next one, there's like a little clip right here on the side. Again, I don't recommend you pull these out. I'm just gonna kind of go like that. I'll tell you boys, it is humid today. That, I think, just like that. Now we gotta be careful not to drop this. It should just come right off. There we go, boom, just like that. That was pretty easy. So those are I usually recommend doing that one first, that one, and then that one, but luckily I only needed to take the first one off. And if you get your hand behind it really well, the rest of it just pops right off. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna pop off this and then put this on the brand new mirror and then go ahead and reinstall it. That's pretty much it. So really, again, we're just putting that under there. There's this black tab. We're gonna kind of try to pull on that as we lift up. There we go. Oh yeah, a little faster than the last one I did. Oh yeah, it was much easier. I think what helped last time, or this time, is the last time the one I used was a lot thinner. This one's wider, so that when I'm popping it under there, I can get close to the tab and it just makes it a lot easier. There we go, boom, we got it off. Pretty simple, and then we don't have to mess with anything else on there, so. Just throw that off to the side. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, we just take that off there, and then we just have to line it all up. Not too difficult. I think it's gonna go something like that. Okay, no, like this. There's only one way it fits, so all right, go ahead and pop that on there. All right, we got all the tabs on there, so now we go ahead and install it. Alright guys, this is actually, gotta be careful on this part, but it went pretty smooth last time I went to install the other side, so I think first what we'll do is we'll do this one right here. You can see there's these two little tabs. It kind of looks like just two little things sticking out, and we're gonna put this one in there, and I think it goes either way. pop it on there like that. Boom. Pretty easy. And then you go ahead and just plug this last little piece in. Boom, clicked it right in there just like that. That's pretty easy. So there's basically 1, 2, 3 things that's gonna have to fit into. I think I recommend doing the bottom one or the side one first. Actually, no, I think we wanna do the middle first. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the middle first. So we're just gonna go ahead, make sure that's all lined up. Looks pretty good. It's right on there now. Again, I recommend just push right in the middle. Boom, just like that. So now, we want to make sure the next 2 ones are set on there really well. And you can tell it's not because it's not in there all the way because, I mean, look at it, it's kind of doing something weird. So we're going to do a push right here on the side. I think I got it. Now let's go ahead and do the bottom one. I think the bottom one could be a little challenging. Boom. Okay, I think I got it. Yep. Man, that was easy. There we go, boys and girls. How beautiful is that? Now I need a night drive, so let's get our spray bottle and clean that off. Now what's cool about having this, with it being a little wider, I'm gonna be able to see my wing a little bit better. Bam, just like that. Looking good. I like them. I can't wait to get a little test drive in and see what the difference is, and then also a night drive. All right guys, doing a little test drive. It is light outside, but man, I'm really loving these mirrors. There's just so much more that you can see, and it's kind of weird. It's like I'm not used to it, so. Love it, guys. I did double check. I can get you guys a 10% discount if you use the link that I provide. So if you guys are interested in these mirrors, take advantage. I've had a chance to drive now with the new upgraded mirrors, and I'm actually surprised how much I like them. We're gonna do a quick little drive real quick, but here's the state of the car. It's a little dirty, but it's slowly coming along. We got the front lip, the Titan 7. We got the carbon fiber lip. We also have the, I don't know, what do you call that, rock guard to kind of protect. And the, there's a little vent right there. Ooh, I need to clean that. But yeah, man, the car is coming along nicely. This is what a dirty championship white Type R looks like. Let's see what else. Next thing I need to do is hide this wiring for the dash cam. And for the interior, we have the upgraded Alcantara boot, Alcantara steering wheel, and the JDM carbon fiber console. But dude, I am telling you, these mirrors, the first few times I looked at them, it just throws me off because you can just see so much more, and they look really high quality too. So let's go for a quick little drive so you guys can kind of get a feel for what it sounds like. And maybe we'll even hear some pops and bangs with the Honda tunes since we're pushing about 360 crank horsepower. Before I could barely see the wing at all, and now it's like I can see it plus a whole bunch more. But I have not had a chance to drive at night yet. The sun's going down and I gotta work early in the morning. So let's have some fun. And I'm really enjoying this VOFO dash cam. It's just nice to have an extra layer of protection from bad drivers. Oh, that exhaust sounds great. Do some windows up so we can hear maybe the exhaust a little bit better. Sorry, actually I should probably think I have the suspension on sport mode, so we are a little bouncier than normal. But yeah guys, I'm telling you, this definitely get these SUMA Performance mirrors. I have a link in the description that'll get you 10% off. Be on a main road here in a second. Maybe we can even catch the blind spot monitoring thingamajigger. So far, I know it works because when I turn the car on, it blinks for a second, but I have not seen it in action yet since I've been driving. I really need someone right next to me as I'm driving. We still have a little bit of a rattle in there, so we're gonna have to take that apart again and add some more sound deadening to it. Or what should I do next to my car? I don't plan on doing anything anytime soon. We're slowly coming up upon winter, but we'll see. I'd really like to get these carbon fiber console right here and even get the factory one, but I don't know if they're making it anymore. I might have to try to see if I can source it from Japan. But yeah, we'll find out here. Let's see if I can catch up to this car and see if the blind spot monitoring is actually working correctly. Well, what do you guys think? I think in a month or two, we're going to hear from Honda if there's going to be a 2026 FL5 Type R. I'm thinking there probably isn't going to be, but I hope I'm wrong. All right, let's see. Is it going to work? Please work. Oh, yeah, it lit up. Woohoo, it works. I was a little worried. All right, there you go. It seems like it's definitely less glary. All right, guys, peace out. Thanks for watching.